Hi, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you these amazing little things. These are port plugs for a USB-C outlet, and they're by the brand PortPlugs. And I use these for my MacBook Pro.
So if you're like me, you're probably looking for every way that you can protect this valuable investment that is your laptop. And so when I got my MacBook Pro, I was really worried about dust. I'm constantly dusting my laptop, but it still gets really dusty. And I was afraid of getting dust in these ports, like has happened in other laptops I have owned, which can potentially affect it down the road. So these port plugs are so easy to use. They're this really high quality silicone type plastic. They're a little bit flexible, and so they make it very easy to insert these into your laptop. It's great because it comes with a bunch. You can give them to friends. Definitely in a phone, it would also be useful to prevent dust, to prevent water from getting in, or humidity. So highly recommend these. I've had no issues with them whatsoever.
And that's my point of view.